Hi food lovers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and also leave a comment below and tell me what you think about the video. Today I'm going to show you how to make smoothie from the scratch. And for that recipe, it's a simple recipe. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients. See you later. These are my ingredients for making the smoothie. I have 2 mangoes that I've just cut into small cubes. I have lentils, and I have 1 cup of strawberry, and I have 1 cup of ice cubes. First of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend all my mangoes and lentils and add the strawberry. I'll have to add all the vegetable, the fruit together in the blender. Then add a little bit of water. Then I'll have to cover it with the lid. Then after that, I'll have to blend them. I'll have to add little water because it seemed to be too dry. Now I'm going to blend all the fruits, and that is 1 cup of strawberry, 2 mangoes peeled, and 1 bunch of lentils. And for that one, it's smoothie. I like try different things, and today I said that I should just try something different. Apart from mango, strawberry, pineapple, today I just decided to make something different from the previous video. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave the comment below and tell me what you think about the video. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye. And now it's time to serve our smoothie. It's ready. I'll have to pour it in the glass. I'm going to add some little bit of ice cubes. And also for this smoothie, you can either add your hardcore drink like Bacardi, rum. Yeah. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave the comment below and tell me what you think about the video. See you soon. Bye bye. And now it's time to try our smoothie since it's ready. Wow, delicious. Oh my god, it's really out of this world. If you want to know the ingredients that I've just used on this smoothie, it's simple. 2 mangoes, 1 cup of strawberries, and 1 bunch of lentils, and a little bit of water. Super easy. And also, it's organic. You know all the ingredients that you have used on your smoothie. You don't have to worry about your health issue. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave a comment below and tell me what you think about the video. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.